today is the big day where I'm getting my original toy. Did you turn the TV off? Did you? Alright, so here's something to let you know. This is like the thing I'm getting as a rare code. Oh fuck! I need help. I need help. I can't hold the camera towards that very well. Hey! Hold the camera towards it.
Howdy guys, it's Wisteria Moon here, and today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. JK, I've never done an unboxing video before, so this is going to be pretty fun. And I am also really excited because I am opening Animal Jam Toys, which is a new feature that they just brought out. Now, for those of you who have never played Animal Jam, it is an online virtual world game, and on this game you can play as your own little animal avatar. You can interact with a bunch of other players in town, and you can play awesome games like Swoopy Eagle and Falling Phantoms to earn gems. But of course, we are going to be using this to redeem our toy codes. Now basically what happened is Jazzwares was kind enough to send me a box full of toys to unbox. So here's what y'all need to know. All of these toys are going to be available at Walmart, one of my favorite stores, and they should be available at other retailers soon. But they also all come with exclusive codes that can be redeemed on the game. At the end of this video, I am going to be redeeming all these codes on my Amazon account, and they give you special items and maybe even some more rares. We all know that I'm rare, so I'm pretty excited about that. But before I do the unboxing of the Jazzwares box, just gonna be opening up the little pet house that I got from AJHQ. I'm pumped.
This is hard.
I especially can't wait to get my rares. I hope I get some good stuff. Alright, now let's get to it. Let's check this thing out. How do I... So now things are about to get spicy. I think I got it. Oh yes, that's how it's doing this one, guys. So I'm just gonna use it. Now, as you can see, we have a little house. Guess we might as well open it up now. See what's inside. Just kind of grab these two sides. Just go like that. Ooh, comes up in the center. I have no idea what it is. Can't see it. Oh no, catastrophe, guys. I actually don't know what it is. Are they giving me just my board out of there? Like, okay, I've got one pack of these spicy looking guys. I think it's actually a cheetah. I really approve this top pink. I literally just flicked it on the ground. Like, what's wrong with me? Okay, whatever. So let's see what little accessory we get. We've got blue wings. Fantastic. I think I can't even hold these. What is wrong? Alright, I promise.
Interruption.
And it has
How about
no
the
gluten, but that's alright. I guess that's
how,
let's take
What?
them down here first. I think there is a little...
what about the interruption, guys? Not the interruption, guys, but the computer. My computer crashed.
That's what I'm getting today. I don't know what time, but it's when the mail comes.
96. That's a lot of toys, guys, I gotta say. Now let's see which one I have. Oh my goodness, look at all, guys. This is like front and back. You see this? Alright, so this is what it says. Adoption checklist. Rare, gem, diamond, and ultra rare. Ultra rare! Guys, I want the ultra rare one. Like, what is this? I really want this. I would be this one better be ultra rare. If not, I'm gonna cry. Oh, I found it. Okay. Wow, that took me an embarrassingly long amount of time. Here's the cheetah right here, and here's the cheetah in person, and...
Stop!
Unfortunately, this cheetah is... It doesn't meet any of these qualifications right here. I always have a chance in the Jazzwares package to get one, so it's pretty cool. And I still like this little guy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do some role playing with these guys. And if you ever see these here, you've got a big storm coming. Right now the excitement that I am feeling right now. I can't wait.
Hey,
Now things are
Wisteria
going to
Moon's hair is her normal color.
very intense. So guys, need you to do me a
Never done
favor.
that, right?
Stand back because I can't promise you that stuff won't be flying through your screen. We're gonna get our little guy here to watch. Alright, that's a good tutorial on how to open box. Got dig. It's getting pretty rad. Dig in. You guys don't even know. This is some top secret government stuff. Alright, it all makes sense now. This is what's in the box. Jazzwares, you sly dog. I did not see that one coming. You guys see.
Honey, you got a big storm coming.
What'd you call my line screen? You can't find my own line screen. I didn't do anything. You were supposed to call it something. I was anything else. But you want my line screen. Stop. Again, we apologize for the interruption, but we got it. I want to find my own stuff.
Alright, so here's the deal with these boxes, right? Each one comes with a little exclusive gift, which I would have found if I was
That's what.
But yeah, you know what this means? You're going to get lots of looters. I'm going to be looking at Angel afterwards. The demon, my rare item.
Again, interruption, but
No, I really want the lion. Here you go.
whoever's watching.